Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U3 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on, maybe not all the way, and tap on Languages and Input. Then click on Android keyboard and tap on Appearance and Layouts. Then click on Theme and pick one of the options by tapping on the chosen one. Now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!